Hello, my name is Jessica Fellinger, and for my leadership project, I worked on Wellness Wednesdays. For Wellness Wednesdays, we try to promote healthy living in our hospital community, and to do that, we set up a table with a treat or a snack, little sample size of something that is healthy or surprisingly healthy. And we have recipes, and I set up a trifold board at one point for healthy intentions. So it's just a community table that I basically would run and stand at for 2 hours during lunchtime in the cafeteria and talk to the people who stop by our table. And the first Wellness Wednesday we had basically pecan granola bars, and we were celebrating whole grains and heart healthy living because it was the first Wellness Wednesday of March. And this was all in the context of National Nutrition Month. So we did a Wellness Wednesday before National Nutrition Month that my preceptor led, and then I led the ones for National Nutrition Month. And the first one being the pecan granola bars, which were really delicious and good whole grain source of nutrients. Another one that we did was Ukrainian Dereny, and that was celebrating the culture of Ukraine. Obviously, there's been a lot of turmoil and stuff and war going on in Ukraine, so I wanted to just celebrate Ukrainian culture and be able to do that in context of my own work. And so we made dereny, which is a potato pancake, which reminded me a lot of Norwegian lefse, which my family would make, my mom would make occasionally growing up. And lefse has just been a special part of my own life, so I can see how dereny is a special part of Ukrainian people's lives, just a celebratory food. And so we made those. Sean made a batch and I made a batch. Sean is my preceptor, by the way. So we both made a batch, and we brought it in and made them on site. And we made some of them with cauliflower added for extra vegetables, and talked about healthy substitutions for the potato pancakes. So that was kind of the theme behind the Ukrainian dereny. Another Wellness Wednesday we did featured Chilean pebre, which is a salsa that's made with quite a lot of cilantro, and it's delicious and part of Chilean culture. And my preceptor lived in Chile for a while, so she's gotten to experience that in Chile. So she made I almost said dereny, the pebre, and brought that in, and we served it with chips, even though it traditionally is served with fresh bread. And that went over very well. People really liked that salsa. And that week the focus was on vegetables and just how veggies can be part of a healthy lifestyle. And the next Wellness Wednesday was, I'm blanking. I'm sorry. The next Wellness Wednesday was the last Wellness Wednesday, and we did fig smoothies. So I blenderized dried figs in with the smoothies to show people that to celebrate fruit, basically, and just to acknowledge that fruit and blenderizing fruit can be part of healthy living. So that went well. And I believe there was one more. There was one more Wellness Wednesday. It was toward the end of the month, on the 30th. And it wasn't the fig smoothies that day. The fig smoothies were earlier in National Nutrition Month. On the 30th, sorry for the awkward pause. On the 30th, I can't remember what we did on the 30th, but it was the last Wellness Wednesday of National Nutrition Month. Oh, we also did quick oats, which were in a container, like a mason jar, and allowed people to sample our quick oats, and gave out quite a lot of recipes for overnight oats because they're a popular breakfast item and they're really easy to make and really good for you because they have a lot of fiber and a lot of just good nutrients and whole grains. So again, with the whole grains theme, that one was part of the whole grains as well. And then we also had a trifold that was a healthy intentions poster that we used, where people could put their name in a drawing for Starbucks, and they were able to put a sticky note on the trifold, and that basically was their healthy intention. And so this just got people thinking about some healthy goals for the month of March. And so we also put up the trifold again later just to remind people that, hey, we're still doing this, these healthy intentions for the month of March and just for health in general. And so that was really, all the Wellness Wednesdays went over really well and people really liked them. And I was really grateful to be able to organize so many of them. It really gave me just some good experience at organizing a small event. And it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed being able to be creative with the work, and it ended up turning out very well. Thank you.